In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Google Tag Manager. Whether you're fine-tuning your tags or setting up new tracking codes, publishing them accurately ensures they perform effectively on your website. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to tagmanager.google.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now that you're in, it's time to select the container associated with the website you're working with. You may have several containers to choose from if you're managing multiple websites, so ensure you're selecting the right one. This container holds all the tags, triggers, and variables specific to the site you're updating. With the correct container opened, turn your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here you'll find the Submit button, which you'll need to click in order to start the publishing process. This action will open a new window where you can prepare for the live update. At this point, the interface will ask you to enter a version name. This name is important for version control, and it helps you track changes over time. For instance, you might enter something like update tag for analytics to describe your current publish action. This way, anyone reviewing the changelog will understand what's been altered. In addition to naming the version, you're given the option to add a description. While it's not mandatory, providing a detailed description is a best practice. It can be as simple or detailed as you prefer, like including added Google Ads conversion tracking and updated Google Analytics tags. These notes are invaluable for reference, particularly if issues arise or if you need to revisit this update in the future. Once you've entered the version name and added any optional description notes, it's time to bring those changes to life. Simply click the Publish button and voila! Your updated tags and configurations are now live on your website, seamlessly supporting your marketing and analytics efforts. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively publish your changes in Google Tag Manager, ensuring all your tracking and marketing tools are kept up to date. Remember, consistent updates and clear documentation make managing your web infrastructure a breeze and help you keep track of the digital strategy you're building. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides.